In this video, I want to talk about atmospheric concentration of methane and nitrous oxide, which is CH4 and N2O. So these two gases are coming after CO2 and water vapor, and they are very important, but their concentration is much lower than CO2 and water in atmosphere. So direct atmospheric measurements since 1970 have also detected the increasing atmospheric abundances of two other major greenhouse gases, which are methane and nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is sometimes called laughing gas. So as you see here, not only the concentration of CO2 is increasing during all these years after industrial era, also the concentration of these two other gases, methane and nitrous oxide, is increasing as well. Methane abundances or methane concentration were usually increasing at a rate of about 1% per year, but then slowed to an average increase of 0.4% per year over the 1990s, with the possible stabilization of CH4 abundance. So it means that we might have stable methane concentration in the future. The increase in N2O abundance is smaller. It's just about 0.25% per year, and it's really more difficult to detect and find the concentration. When ice core measurements extended the CH4 abundance back 1,000 years, they showed a stable, relatively constant concentration of 700 ppb until the 19th century, when a steady increase brought CH4 concentration to about 1745 ppb in 1998 and 1774 ppb in 2005. So as you know, ppb is also the unit for measuring the concentration of gases or liquids, basically. So it stands for parts per billion, so it's for really small concentrations. So 1000 ppb is equal to 1 ppm.